is finally here. It's one of my favorite seasons. Today, I'm going to share with you guys my fall makeup routine. I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. I already added some to my face, but I want to show you that it's white, but it literally blends in so nicely into the skin. So after I allow my skincare to set, we're going to move into the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm. I have the universal shade, but I really want to start using this because I feel like before I wasn't using it right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadows. To do my eyeshadows before I apply my base, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist To Go eyeshadow palette. This has been my go-to palette lately. The colors are neutral. It's perfect for fall. So now I'm going to lightly start to blend out the shade. I'm going with the transition shade just to soften up this eyeshadow a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of the Urban Decay Moon Dust because I love it so much. I'm just going to place some just like on the top of the lid. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this lighter shade right here and I'm going to place it right up above or right underneath that brow bone just to give it a little highlight there. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our mascara and then we're going to do half lashes today. Let me tell you, half lashes have been my go-to, girl. I'm going to spot conceal using my favorite concealer by Rem Beauty, the Sweetner Concealer. And then I'm going to lightly tap to blend it out using my foundation brush. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Coverage on this foundation is so freaking good. The shade match is on freaking point, girl. Let's go ahead and apply our concealer under our eye. Okay, let's go ahead and blend out our concealer starting from the bottom and just working our way up. I'm going to use a lighter shade to highlight, and y'all, I am running dry on this lip tinted concealer. I'm going to go ahead and do a little contour. I'm using the Patrick Ta contour palette. Tap out any excess. And I'm just going to lightly press upward. Now we're going to set the under eye. I'm using the Givenchy setting powder. We're just going to lightly set the under eye with this powder. We'll go into blush. I'm going to use this Daiquiri Dip, the Fenty Beauty blushes. And we're going to place it on the cheek. Yes, these are pretty pigmented as you can see. Let's add a little bronzer. I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzer. Just want to get a little bit of warmth. The top of my forehead. And now we're going to go in with we're going to go in with highlighter now. Okay, I was not expecting this. Makeup Revolution, their highlighter shade Golden Gal. This is beautiful. I was not even expecting that. So we're going to do a little bit of a setting spray. For lip, I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Liner. Lip, I'm going to use the Mentic Cosmetic. I think I want to add a little bit of a nudie shade just like in the center here. This is the perfect lip combo, y'all. Oh my gosh. So we're going to do the One Size setting spray because I love a matte look, honey. Okay, this is the final look, guys. Oh my gosh, this turned into a whole fall glam makeup routine, but I love how this turned out. Everything looks so freaking gorgeous. You guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about this makeup look.